Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about business postcards, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a business postcard for free online using your free Canva account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a business card for free in your free Canva account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know it's important to keep the lead flow coming in, and with postcards could be a good way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your free Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the homepage. Now here on the homepage, if you want to create your own business postcard, what you want to do is click here on the search bar and type in business postcard. Okay, once you do that, you're going to want to scroll down until you see this section here called Canva templates and click on see all. Okay, so here you're going to see all of the business postcard templates that are available to you through Canva. Now, most of these are free. However, some of them do have a cost associated with them. If you see this little crown thing here on the bottom right, or if you see a dollar sign, those ones are going to have a cost associated. So what you can do is go ahead and click on all filters here on the top, and then you'll see this left menu. Just scroll to the bottom until you see free, and then click on that, and then click on apply. Now it's going to show all of the business card templates that are free to use inside of your free Canva account. So just kind of scroll through and then see which one fits with your branding. So let's see here. So I kind of like this one right here. So let me go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, so the cool thing about Canva is when you choose a template, it's going to show you related ones down here below. So sometimes you can find a better one if you scroll down a little bit. In fact, yeah, this one looks pretty good. So let me click on this one. Okay, yeah, so they're going to show you kind of what it looks like. So it's just a one-sider. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to click on customize this template. Okay, so here we are in the Canva design or edit screen. So before you start editing, you want to make sure that whoever's going to be printing this off for you, they're going to give you a good price on how many colors you're going to be adding, because this thing is like a Facebook page. We can go ahead and edit all of these features in here. Now, if there's a lot of different colors, then your printer may charge you more. So maybe you want to go ahead and only have one or two, maybe three colors. So make sure you discuss that with them. If you want to have Canva printed out, they can print it directly from whatever you're designing right here. And you just click on print with Canva once we're finished. But of course, there is a cost associated with that. If you simply want to design it for free, you can do that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and edit this. So as you hover over different sections, you're going to see this purple box. That means you can edit that section. So we're going to click in here, your perfect home awaits. So let's go ahead and maybe change that to your party house is here. Okay. And then if there's parts of this flyer that you're going to use for your business that you don't really like, you can easily just hover over it and then click on it. And then you can click on this trash can, or you can simply click on delete and it disappears. And then with this one right here, it has an image right there. So if you right click on it, the weird thing about Canva is there's no way to replace that image. So what you're going to need to do is just hover over the box. And then once you have that purple box around it, here on the left, click on uploads. And now you can go ahead and choose a picture. If you don't see the picture in here, you can easily just upload from your computer. And once it's uploaded, it's going to show up here in your Canva storage. And then in order to change this image in your business postcard, just drag the image right on over. So once we put it over, you can see it automatically resizes and then it places right in there. And then let's say that picture is a little too big. We can grab this little white button or white dot, and then we can shrink it down. Or if we want to make it bigger, we can make it bigger. So that looks pretty good. Okay. And then for me, these 4 dots, it's kind of too much going on. So let me go ahead and delete that. I'm going to click on there and delete that line. This I'll leave up here. I'm going to change the brand name because I'm not Salford. So I'll go ahead and just maybe type in my name, Anthony. Also, there's this thing called elements here on the top left. So if you want something else to show up in here, they have a lot of different things you could choose from. So you can go ahead and add in stickers. So maybe like this little cocktail, you can drag that right on over, and then you can go ahead and shrink it down if you want, and then move it around. So maybe you want a cocktail over in the sky, or maybe over here on the left, maybe you're going to go ahead and add a profile picture. So you can do these things called frames. So you click on see all, and then basically these are picture frames. So you would just add this in, and then you would drop the picture in later. So maybe we'll go ahead and grab this one right here, and this is going to be a skyline. So maybe we'll go ahead and drag it up here to the very top and then over. Okay, that looks good. And then all we're going to do now is once you have this frame here on the left, click on uploads, and then you can drag one of your pictures right into it as we did earlier. So we'll drop that in there. Now we have that kind of cool skyline back there, but you can see it's covering my image. So what you can do is click on an image or a word, and then you right click on it and look for this thing called layers. Once you click there, you can go ahead and bring that image or the word forward or backwards. So let me bring this one forward. Okay, now you can see my images in the front. Okay, now if you want to have a second page, you can go ahead and add a page right here. All right, so then we're going to have a 2-sided flyer. for our business. So you can go ahead and add things back here. But again, you definitely want to talk to your printer to see if you're going to get an extra charge for printing on the backside as well. Generally you will, but all you're going to do is just drag in the different things that you want. So maybe we just want text. So we'll click here on text, and then I'll click on this purple add text box. Okay. And then maybe we can go ahead and change this to thank you for reading my business flyer. Right. And then I'll just double click on it. All right. I'm going to make it bold, and then I'm going to bring it a little bigger. Okay. So now we're almost done. So that's what our flyer looks like. You can just keep adding or removing until it fits your brand. And next thing I'll do is up here on the top, I'll go ahead and rename this how to make a business postcard. Okay. So like I said, you can go ahead and print directly from Canva right here, or you can go ahead and click on share. And then once you click on share, go ahead and click on download. Once you click on download, you want to change the file type. So you have to ask your printer, do they want a JPG, a PNG? Sometimes they want a PDF. If you want an SVG, then you do have to pay for the pro version. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose a PNG, and then I'm going to click on download. All right, now it's downloading. Okay, it's downloaded. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, guys, so here is my business postcard that we just put together. So here's the front side, and then here is the back side. So now all we need to do is go ahead and email this over to our printer. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create your own business postcard, that's the easiest way I know how to do it for free with my free Canva account. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.